Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Agape Talks, the stories. Once upon a time, there lived a poor widow and her son, Jack. One day, Jack's mother told him to sell their only cow. So, he went to the market. On his way, he met a man who wanted to buy his cow. Jack asked, "What will you give me in return for my cow?" The man said, "I'll give you 5 magic beans." Jack was little confused to get it, but he took the magic beans and gave him the cow. But when he reached home, Jack's mother became very angry by looking at those beans. She said, "You fool! He took away your cow and gave you some beans." And she threw the beans out of the window. Jack was very sad and went to sleep without dinner. The next day, when Jack woke up in the morning and looked out of the window, he saw that a huge beanstalk grown from his magic beans. He was very happy. He climbed up the beanstalk and reached a kingdom in the sky. There lived a giant and his wife. Jack went inside the house and found the giant's wife in the kitchen. Jack said, "Could you please give me something to eat? I'm so hungry." The kind wife gave him bread and some milk. While he was eating, the giant came home. The giant was very big and he looked very fearsome. Jack was terrified and went and hid inside. The giant cried, "Fee, fi, fo, fum! I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread." The wife said, "There's no boy in here." So the giant ate his food and then went to his room. He took out his sacks of gold coins, counted them, and kept them aside. Then he went to sleep. In that night, Jack crept out of his hiding place, took 1 sack of gold coins, and climbed down the beanstalk. At home, he gave the coins to his mother. His mother was very happy, and they lived well for some time. He then climbed the beanstalk and went to the giant's house again. Once again, Jack asked the giant's wife for food. But while he was eating, the giant returned. Jack was frightened and went and hid under the bed. The giant cried, "Fee, fi, fo, fum! I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread." The wife said, "There is no boy in here." So the giant ate his food and went to his room. There, he took out a hen. He shouted, "Lay!" And then the hen laid a golden egg. When the giant fell asleep, Jack took the hen and climbed down the beanstalk. Jack's mother was very happy with him. For the 3rd time, Jack met the giant's wife and asked for some food. Once again, the giant's wife gave him bread and milk. But while Jack was eating, the giant came home. "Fee, fi, fo, fum! I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread," cried the giant. "Don't be silly. There is no boy in here," said his wife. The giant had a magical harp that could play beautiful songs. While the giant slept, Jack took the harp and was about to leave. Suddenly, the magic harp cried, "Help, master! A boy is stealing me!" The giant woke up and saw Jack with the harp. He ran after Jack furiously, but Jack was too faster than him. He ran down the beanstalk and reached home. The giant followed him down. Jack quickly ran inside his house and took an axe, and he began to chop the beanstalk. The giant fell down and died. Jack and his mother were very rich and they lived happily ever after. Thank you so much for the valuable time you spent on watching this video, and consider subscribing to my channel if this video has done something to you in any way. Don't forget to leave a comment because I value them a lot, as it's going to encourage me in creating a lot of better contents in the future. Thank you. Give only love.